Hello everyone. First, I would like to welcome you to my channel. Today, we'll discuss second fundamental theorem of calculus step by step. To apply this rule, the first step, the function f means a function. A function should be continuous function on the given interval. The interval is between a and b, where x is what? Any number between the interval a and b. So we can apply this rule. The first step, keep in your mind, guys, we are going to apply this rule if the function is a continuous function on the given interval and x is what? A number or any point between a and b. Therefore, derivative dx means derivative with respect to x. Integration from a to x, it will be just express the function in terms of x. Okay, let me elaborate by giving an example. Okay, let's start. Question number 1. You are asked to find derivative of integration from -5 to x. Keep in your mind, guys, a means constant number, whereas x is the variable. Here also what would have constant number, which is -5, and here we have variable, which is x. So by applying this rule means what? Just express the function in terms of x. Means replace t by what? By x. Okay. So t will be replaced by x. If you do so now, then it will be what? The final answer, it will be x to the power of 3 plus sine of x. Okay. Let me give you a second example. Okay. The second example, derivative of the integration from 4, okay, from 4 to x. We have constant, which is a is constant, and we have variable also. Similarly also, the same like what we did in example 1, we can apply. Applying this rule, the above rule. Just replace t by what? By x. So it will be what? Derivative of integration from 4 to x, it will be what? E the power of x the power of 2. Just replace t by x only. The third example. So just I'm trying to give you an example just to master, but they're similar, okay, up to number 3. So here we would have what? We have constant, which is -2, and we have a variable, we have x. Therefore, we can apply this rule. Okay, apply. So we have constant a means constant, we have constant -2, we have a variable x. Just replace t by x, t by x. Done. So it will be what? X to the power of 4 over 1 plus x to the power of 4. Done. Okay. Then here you need to be careful. As we discussed before, okay, this will be the constant. The lower is always, it should be constant, and the upper should be what? A variable. But here would have what? The reverse. So we need, in order to apply this rule, we need to exchange x should be at the top or at the upper, and 5 should be what? At the bottom. Just exchange. When you exchange, don't forget to put what? Negative. So here, in order to express like this form, we did what? 5 and x, they exchange from. So 5, we brought it down, and x is what? We put it what? At the top. So as what? We can apply this rule. Now, but don't forget to put what negative. Now, after expressing constant at the bottom and the variable at the top, then we can apply direct rule what we discussed before in example 1 up 3. Therefore, m will be replaced by x. The answer will be what? Negative cosine of x square. Done. Example 5. Okay. So in this question, you need to be careful. By applying this, the second fundamental theorem, a constant number, and here we have what? X. But here we have what? 2x. The first step, apply what we did before. In example 1, example 2. Means what? Just to find derivative, I'm sorry. Let me erase this one. Okay. Yeah. Here we have what? 2x now. The integration is what? From negative 2 to 2x. The first step, replace t by what? By 2x. T by 2x. Okay. The same what we did before. Now, since we would have 2x at the upper, we need to multiply by the derivative of 2x. Derivative of 2x will be what? 2, applying what? This rule. So, you know this rule actually. So, here we would have what? Derivative of x to the power of n is what? N x to the power of n minus 1. Therefore, derivative of 2x will be what? 2. Now, 2x to the power of 3, it will be 8, 8x, 8x to the power of 3. And then 2x to the power of 2, it will be what? 4x squared multiplied by 2, it will be what? 8x squared plus 6. Then multiply by what? Multiply by 2. Okay, done. Then let's proceed to example 6. Yeah. Okay. In example 6, you are asked to find derivative with respect to x. So the integration from 12 to x squared. So the first step, we need to replace all the variables of the function by x squared. Instead of n, I'm going to write what? X squared. Instead of n, I'm going to write what? X squared. So if you do so, now we have what? X squared, the power of 2. Just replace, I replace it what? Or n is replaced by x squared here, and n is replaced by what? By x squared. Okay. Now, and then multiply by derivative of x squared. By applying this rule now, the power rule of derivative, then derivative of x squared will be 2x. So x to the power of 2, the power of 2 it will be what? X to the power of 4. Multiplied by 2x, it will be 2x to the power of 5. Then 2x squared multiplied by 2x, it will be what? 4x to the power of 3. Done. Okay. Example 7. Yes. Here, you are asked to find derivative with respect to x of derivative of the integration of what? From 3 to 5x. Ln of 1 plus t squared dt. So the first step, we replace all the variable here. The variable here is what? T. So the t will be replaced by 5x. Okay. So it will be what? Ln of 1 plus 5x to the power of 2. I just replaced what? T is replaced by 5x. Then multiply by derivative of 5x. Derivative of 5x is what? 5. Applying this rule. Okay, then so it will be what? 5 ln of, in bracket, 1 plus 25 x squared, because 5x the whole square to about 25 x squared. Done. Okay, the final. So here also what you are asked to find derivative of the integration from derivative of the integration from 2 to x to the power of 3. So the first step, replace t by what? By x to the power of 3. Okay, then multiply by derivative of the upper part. Derivative of x cube will be what? 3x squared. Now x to the power of 3 times the power of 2 means what? 3 times 2 is what? X to the power of 3. So the final will be what? 3x squared sine of x to the power of 6. Done. So keep in your mind, practice makes perfect. So dear students, don't forget to practice. Thank you for watching, but don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and write your comment for the growth of my channel. If you subscribe, also you will receive updated information. Okay, thank you so much. Sharing is caring. That's why I would like to share with you. Okay, take care. See you for the next lesson. We'll discuss another lesson, inshallah. Okay, take care.